Hello everyone, welcome to RevoSpin. My name is Steven. Today we'll be showing you how to set up your GoPro 9 to the 360 as well as our RevoSpin 360 app. Let's go ahead and get started. Right here I have my GoPro 9 Hero Black. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take these flaps down so I can go ahead and set up my GoPro mount. 2 pieces, all you can take, you can get this for $6 on Amazon. Let's go ahead and put the GoPro mount into the flaps as so, right here. Then from here, we'll take the screw, go ahead and put it through, as you can see right there. Line it up real quick, slides right in. Let's go ahead and tighten that down real quick. And like I said, you'll be able to adjust the mount. So let's go ahead and get this centered real quick, right here. Let's get this centered. Here we go. And there we go, right here. So now that we get this centered in, we can go ahead and attach this to our 360 mount. Let's go ahead and slide this out. You want to use the little screw at the bottom to go ahead and tighten it down. Let's get this as centered as we can. So, let's go ahead and get that in. Line it up to the center, and here we go. Once we go ahead and get this installed, we can go ahead and put this on to the 360 mount. Let's go ahead and slide that in, tighten it down. And for this demonstration, we will actually be doing this in portrait mode. Let's go ahead and loosen that ball mount and get this lined up. So once we get that lined up, we now have our 360 camera angled on the 360, as you can see right here. So let's go ahead and get started with the 360 software. All right, we now have our RevoSpin 360 software opened up. I already have the GoPro test event, but first we actually want to go to our settings, and we actually want to make sure GoPro setup is on and connected. After you connect it the first time, every time you turn on the setting, it will automatically connect, so you don't have to worry about reconnecting. So let's go ahead and go back to our settings, back to our home page. Let's go ahead and open the event, and now we're just going to do as we normally do. Go ahead and hit record. Now, as you can see here, it's asking for a Wi-Fi connection. Let's go ahead and connect to that. You should hear a beep in a second on the GoPro. So give it a second. There's the beep. Now we are ready to record. So from here, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and hit record. Let me just go ahead and grab our remote out. Here we go. You should hear a beep. Get ready. Boom. Now it is recording right now. So once it's done recording, you should hear a second. Let's go ahead and flex for the camera a little bit. Hey mom, hey dad. Awesome. There's the beep. So now what we can do, we can go ahead and come on up. As you can see, the video is processing same time. There's the video sending to the GoPro. Now let's go ahead and hit the X, hit save and share. Now you can actually have your customer scan the QR code right there, and you can go ahead and get your events going. Or you can go ahead and go check out the gallery by going back here, check the gallery, and you can go ahead and see that's uploaded as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Steven from RevoSpin. Feel free to check out our Wednesday webinars at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to answer your questions on the 360 app, and make sure to check our support page for any more helps, tutorials, and all that kind of stuff. Once again, my name is Steven. See you guys soon.